let's break down this challenging standing pose that combines flexibility, balance, and core strength. Have your back to the wall and have a chair or a piece of furniture that's as high as your hips.
Bend your right leg and put the foot on the chair.
Align your left ankle, knee, and hip. Now, if you can, straighten your right leg. Keep reaching out through your right big toe ball of the foot. Keep your left leg straight. Roll the outer thigh in. Press down through your right thigh. You can also keep practicing here with your right leg bent, and then reach the arms high up so that you can lift your waist and upper body off of the hips. Try and descend your hips down. Then bring your hands down. Support your right knee. Bring your right leg down. Move to the other side. Bend your left leg. Start with the foot on the chair. If you can, go ahead and straighten your left leg, or keep the left leg bent and work on your balance. Lengthen from the inner leg towards the inner heel to straighten the left leg. Roll the right thigh from outside in. Make sure that the toes point straight ahead. Pause here and relax your left hip down. That hip tends to come up towards the lower back. Take a breath, then reach your arms high up. You can keep the thumbs at the wall for support. Lift the side body up, away from the hips. Breathe here. Focus on pressing through your standing inner heel. Then bring the hands down, support your left knee, and slowly bring your leg all the way back down. If you no longer need the chair, bend your right leg and grab your right big toe with the first two fingers of your right hand and your thumb. Take the knee out to the side and then come back to standing. We're going to repeat on the same side. So take the knee out to the side. Keep your left leg straight. And now, if possible, reach out through your right big toe ball of the foot and really straighten your right leg. Let your right arm be stretched as well. Then bring your knee back and come back to Tadasana. Let's try on the other side. Bend your left leg with your first two fingers and your thumb. Hold your big toe. Take the knee out to the side. Stabilize your right inner heel, your standing leg straight. Pause as you lift the chest and then bring the foot back down. Once more, bend the left leg, grab hold of your left big toe, knee up out to the side. And then while you exhale, push out through the inner heel, through the big toe ball of the foot, and straighten the leg. You can also reach your other arm out to the side. It can help with balance. And then bring your knee back in and release. Happy practicing. I hope you enjoyed this short class.